What is this? It is a cat. It is eating the fish. What is this? It is a dog. It is eating the cake. What is this? It is a bird. It is a tree and a bird. The bird is big. It is very big. Look at the bird. It has the apple. Look at this. She is holding her dog. This is my dog, he says. My dog is bad. Look at the woman. She is holding the cat. This is my cat, she says. My cat is bad. Is it your bird? Mary says. No, says the man. It is not my bird. Is it your bird? Mary says. No, says the woman. It is not my bird. Look at this. He is giving it to Mary. Thank you, says Mary. Look at this. She is giving it to Mary. Thank you, says Mary. Look at Mary. Look at the basket. Look at the man. He is giving Mary an egg. Look at the cake. Look at the fish. Look at the apple. Look at this. He is now learning. She is standing. A bus is coming. Thank you. Bye.